Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team and this is the Fujifilm GFX 100S2. Paired with it today, I have also got their newly announced GF 500mm2. Let's get shooting. We have a newly developed 102 megapixel BSI CMOS 2 sensor combined with the X Processor 5, which just makes everything a lot faster, especially when it comes to continuous shooting. We've got a high continuous frame rate of up to 7 frames per second, an ISO range of 80 to 12,800 in stills, which is expandable from ISO 40 to 102,400. Got 8 stops of IBIS and all 20 of Fujifilm's current film simulation modes, including Reala Ace. Thanks to its 5th generation processor and the AI Deep Learning AF that comes with it, we've got much faster focusing and better subject detection and tracking for things like animals, birds, planes, bikes and trains. I'm actually really surprised with how much I've enjoyed using this combination today. That 500mm paired with this camera is still a really lightweight setup for what it is that you're getting, and I've been shooting handheld today no problem, including tracking and panning with the animals as well. It's just a really nice and usable way, especially for somebody like me, and I've just really enjoyed using this combination, and I hope that shows through some of the photos and videos that I've taken. It really goes to show just how capable the GFX medium format series is at unexpected genres of photography like wildlife and other fast moving subjects or sports. When it comes to video, we've got 4K 30 422 10-bit recording internally and 12-bit ProRes or Blackmagic RAW externally. There's also F-Log 2, which gives up to 14 stops of dynamic range and allows for more enriched tonality, which in turn opens you up to so much more post-production potential. The camera itself is of mag alloy construction, making it weather resistant and keeping it lightweight at 883 grams. We've got 2 card slots, both are UHS 2 SD cards, a 0.5 inch 5.76 million dot OLED viewfinder, which offers 100% coverage, and also a 1.8 inch monochrome LCD monitor on the top, and a rather large 3.2 inch 3-way tilting touch LCD screen on the back. If you'd like to find out any more information on the Fujifilm GFX 100S2 or the new GF 500mm, then head on over to jessops.com now or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, don't forget to give it a like, hit subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.